Here's your roundup of top carbon dioxide removal news from this week. U.S. is offering $127.5 million to test industrial carbon capture and carbon removal. The National Ready Mixed Concrete Association has secured a $9.63 million grant from EPA to promote low-carbon concrete and accelerate carbon neutrality goals. Repair US and Sequestra have signed a strategic partnership to develop the European Union's first onshore direct air capture and storage project in France. Midori Climate Partner has entered into a MOU with Mitsubishi to co-develop biochar carbon removal projects in Malaysia. B0 Carbon has partnered with Emirates NBD to support its carbon due diligence efforts and scale the nascent UAE carbon market. Isometric launched a novel digital solution for MRV designed to expedite the verification and issuance of carbon removal credits. Forterra has secured $85 million in Series C funding to accelerate the deployment of its low-carbon cement technology. Isometric issued 107.21 CDR credits from Charm Industrial to JP Morgan, Shopify, and Stripe. These are the first verified credits for Charm. Carbon2Sea announced partnership with PML Applications to develop a framework for monitoring environmental impacts in ocean alkalinity enhancement field trials. Interhalco partnered with Kula Technologies to enhance their biochar project with their cutting-edge digital MRV tool. Formgana and Climate Impact Partners announced exclusive agreement on 400,000 carbon removal credits. Greenlight Carbon Technologies will carry out tests of its Greenberry GG direct air capture project by the end of the year. Climeworks announced a partnership with TerraSet to catalyze the CDR sector's growth. Avnos officially launched its state-of-the-art hybrid direct air capture technology research and development facility in Bridgewater, New Jersey. Sweden offered $3.5 billion grants to BCCS projects for up to 20 years through tender. Bhumitra has secured a new equity investment from the government-backed Global Innovation Fund to expand its carbon projects. NEG8 Carbon has announced significant upgrades to its direct air capture system, potentially changing the way CO2 is captured from the atmosphere and stored. A 40-year feasibility study by A New Climate suggests the forest could store up to 435,000 metric tons of CO2, equivalent to removing 100,000 gas-powered cars from the road annually. Traditional Aboriginal fire regimes stored more soil carbon in Australian savannas, suggesting that restoring more frequent fire return intervals would sequester CO2, new study finds. That's all for now. For more details, visit the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter. Thank you.